Today I will fit these 21 inches wheels to my Porsche Cayenne GTS. I have 18 inches today, silver color, which I don't like. These are black and I think it will do a huge difference to the car. They are also much wider than these wheels. I hope they will fit. Let's see if it does. I bought some spacers too that I want to add to it to make it look even better. If you haven't seen my other videos in this series, take a look at this playlist. So let's start. Here we have a locked bolt, so I need to find that somewhere, probably in the boot somewhere. Let's take a look and see. Yes. There we have it. Nice. That didn't go as I wanted to, but luckily I have a special tool for this. So I will use this. Not so special, but take a look at this one soon. This. Like some kind of steel pipe. And it usually worked for my other cars. Not sure about this one. Let's see. Something happened. It's loose and I hope I didn't break the screw. If you seen my other videos, I think I broke like 2 screws before this one, which is stuck in different places in the car. I hope I didn't do the same here. It's loose. That was a really special tool, right? Seemed like it was very rusty and hard to get off the wheel. This was really tricky. How do I do this? I don't want the car to fall off the hydraulic. I took what I had to try to bend it off. That didn't work too well. And this was just ridiculous. I don't know what I thought here. Then I tried this wrench. Yeah, it was close, but not enough. This was also a bit ridiculous. Probably the lamest thing you can do to get off a wheel. Another special tool. This will probably not work. I don't know. Maybe it's in there. Yes, something is happening. Oh shit. Yes, it's loose. Let's take a look at the discs here. I think we need to change them. Yeah, looks pretty bad. I guess the braking pads also needs to be changed. Tell me in the comments what you think. I don't like what I see here. I will try without the spacers first, and I hope they fit now. Fingers crossed. Since they are pretty wide, they're also very heavy. I think there's a better way to put wheels on than I do. They're on. I think. I'll try to lock them in. And then we can see how it looks without the spacers. Maybe they aren't needed. I don't think they fit. I can show you. So, this is how it looks. Looks not okay because I have like a hole in there between. Maybe it's easier to see here. Yeah. So even if the bolts are in, there's still a gap. And the wheel is on. So spacers are needed. I don't know why. At least they are so much better aligned with the car. Maybe even too much out from the car. Let's try to fit them again and see if there's a problem there. If you want to follow when I restore this car, don't forget to subscribe and do it now. Now I want to add these spacers to it and see if that makes it better. So I have these that are 1.5 centimeters and these for the back, which are 2.5. Nice fit at least for the spacers. Let's see if the wheels does too. I think they fit. Would be nice to high-end the car a bit more, but I can't. And since I added these spacers, I also bought these ones, which are a bit longer than the original ones. I just took a chance and chose one length that they had. Not sure if they are too long or too short. And yeah, they should probably be in black instead of this. So I need to buy some caps later. That didn't go as planned. I think the new ones are... No, it's the same diameter, but somehow they are too long, I think. As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing here. Now I tried the original ones again. They are definitely too short. And then the new longer ones once again. That actually works. They aren't too long. I hope I didn't break something there, but it feels good. Wow, what a difference. It looks insanely good. Look at this. And the alignment here is so much better than before. Looks awesome. Also ordered some original caps for these. I think the former owner removed them because they look nice and are pretty expensive. That will also do a big difference. I will fit the other wheels and then take it outside and show you how it looks, and you can see the difference from before. Here's how it looked before with the old wheels on it. Doesn't look good. Here's the new wheels and it looks amazing.